What is neuro-linguistic programming?
It combines the power of the mind with the wisdom of your heart, and it just helps you to unlock your potential.
Put your hands together for Vaynerchuk!
Hey everyone, welcome to my Shiny Minds show.
My name is Unsal. I am the creator of NeuroShine technology, licensed trainer of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and your NeuroShine coach. I get asked all the time, since I have been teaching Neuro-Linguistic Programming since 2012, people ask me, what is it? What is Neuro-Linguistic Programming? What do we do with this? How does it work? How does it help, right? So today, I would love to talk to you about what Neuro-Linguistic Programming is and why you need to learn more about it. Let's chunk it down. As you see, Neuro-Linguistic Programming is a combination of three parts. Neuro represents your autonomic nervous system, mostly your mindset. Linguistic represents your language patterns, both verbal and nonverbal. Programming states that it is possible for you to see how your behaviors are, and as you study them, as you become aware of them, you can reverse engineer it and reprogram your behaviors and, in the end, create any change that you want. It's basically a practical psychology and your toolbox to become more and achieve more. In my language. Dr. Richard Bandler, when he was a student at the University of Santa Cruz, he was studying computer engineering, and then he was very interested in psychology. He started reading books about psychology, neurology, and he decided to interview the best psychologists and therapists of that time. And next thing you know, he wanted to do a study about human behaviors. Something that he can formalize, something that he can put together, and just like a mat, you can see the patterns. So then, when he was studying human behaviors and psychology, he wanted to include linguistic patterns as well. So in the end, the idea behind neuro-linguistic programming is a toolbox for you to model success, model what works. That's exactly what Dr. Richard Bandler did. When he was studying psychology and human behaviors, he wanted to understand what worked for human beings. He wanted to understand how he can model what is already creating great results and how he can apply those learnings to other situations so that he can improve the results from any situation. So if you think about neuro-linguistic programming, it's actually not an academic study. It is not intended to be. That's why you cannot go find NLP classes and courses at schools yet. We are working on it. And still, neuro-linguistic programming is something that you already do. You just don't have the language for it yet. You are already creating your reality based on the studies and findings and researches of neuro-linguistic programming. You already live your life like this. You already use your mind like that. You already use your language like that. And your behaviors, they are shaped like that already. So this is the study of what is already happening, okay? So that you can see your intention behind your behaviors, your psychology behind your language, your communication, and that way it increases your awareness. And when it increases your awareness, as you know, I have a very simple formula to create any change with my NeuroShine technology, which is change equals awareness multiplied by willingness. NLP gives you a lot of awareness. NLP tells you exactly what you're doing, why you're doing, how you're doing it, step by step. And with that awareness, now you have the knowing, now you have the tools You just need to be willing to apply these tools so that you can reverse engineer anything and reprogram your mind for success. That's the understanding. And that is what's possible for you. This is the formula, and this is the definition of neurolinguistic programming. If you want to know more about it, what I did, I created my online courses for you. I have been teaching neurolinguistic programming since 2011. NLP changed my life completely. I went from being this marketing executive, successful yet not fulfilled, lost in her identity, not knowing what she's going to do with her life, to becoming this change maker, very inspiring change maker that I am so proud of today. And that is all because of neurolinguistic programming, because of the awareness that it gave me and the willingness I put in to create the change I wanted. And it's possible for you. And I want to teach you exactly what I did, step by step, how I applied what I learned from neurolinguistic programming to transform my life, my mom's life. Yep, that happened even after the age of 60. It's possible. And thousands of other people's lives. It is possible because it's really that moment of you owning your life and saying, hey, you know what? One life, I want to live it. One life, I just want to become who I am meant to be. If you don't know who you're meant to be, it's okay. If you don't know where you're going to start, it's okay. I didn't know either. But you just need to start somewhere. And that's what I can help you with. That's why I created my online courses. You can study NLP, neurolinguistic programming, neuroscience technology, coaching skills, communication tools, leadership strategies. It's all available for you. If you want to learn more, just click the link below in the description, and you're just going to take one step, and one step at a time, you're just going to become more and achieve more. Hope you click, and I will catch you inside.